In May we saw another very strong market for sales with activity incredibly bullish, lots of people out there buying lots of homes. But in good news for renters, we did see some stabilisation of the rental market, which I'll cover off shortly. In home sales, once again, we saw very strong conditions with the median price on houses rise 3.2% to $650,000, and we saw unit values rise 2.1% to $435,000, according to the stats from REWA. We saw the stock for sale still incredibly low at just over 3,200 properties for sale. That's down massively, over 40% over the last 12 months. And we know a balanced market is around about 13,000 properties. So we're miles and miles away from what we would consider that balanced market. And that's why we're going to see continuous price growth. In terms of median days to sell, it was sitting at 8 days for the month of May. Once again, that's incredible when half the houses are selling in that first 8-day period. So overall, sales market incredibly strong, and we're going to continue to see that price growth. Well, good news for renters, we might be seeing some stabilisation of the rental market, at least for the moment. We did see the median rental price remain the same for the month of May, sitting at $650 a week for houses and $600 a week for units. What we have seen is the number of properties advertised for rent increase quite significantly. It's sitting at just over 2,400 properties for rent, and that's up over 20% from where it was this time last year. So that's good news for tenants. What we are likely seeing is a lot of those people who are stuck in rentals because their homes were taking a long time to get completed are starting to come out of the market and then move into their homes, which is freeing up a bit of stock. And also we're noticing people are sharing more, where you might have had 2 people in a house. People are sharing and maybe putting in 3 people simply because the rents are so much higher. So hopefully for tenants, we will see some stabilisation, but fundamentally, we still have a severe housing shortage and we've still got a lot of population growth. So I'm not sure how long those rents will remain stable. Lots of suburbs performed particularly well in the month of May. The top performing suburb was Stirling, which was up 2.9% for the month alone. We also saw Beckenham and Bertram up 2.7%, Armidale was up 2.4%, Secret Harbour up 2.2%, and a number of suburbs up 1.9% or more, such as Nedlands, Girraween, Camillo, Craigie and Butler. So once again, the growth is very broad across the Perth market. We're seeing the top performing suburbs like Nedlands doing particularly well still, but also Armidale in that lower price bracket, right through to the northern suburbs, and down to the southern suburbs such as Secret Harbour. So overall, the capital growth that we're seeing in the Perth market is very broad, right across many price brackets. Very strong demand in the market, particularly for properties under $1 million, and in particular within that category between $600,000 and $800,000, there's incredible competition, sometimes 30, 40, 50 people at home opens and multiple offers, sometimes more than 10. Great thing is our buyers agents are getting access to a lot of off-market stock at the moment through our agent network, so that's certainly been great that we're still able to get our clients some really good properties for long-term investment and also for home ownership. But if you're a buyer out there, you've got to be prepared to put your best foot forward. There is a lot of competition, prices are still rising, so good luck. It's hard out there, but certainly put your best foot forward if you're making offers. If you'd like more information on what's happening in the market, or you'd like to learn more about investing in property, please visit our website momentumwealth.com.au or give us a call on 9221 6399. One of our team members will be able to help you.